name's Gordon from IGO Driving School, and what we're going to be doing today is driving on different types of A roads, from dual carriageways to single lane A roads. Most dual carriageways, if it's a national speed limit sign, it'll be a 70 unless told otherwise, and on a single carriageway with a national speed limit sign it'll be a 60 unless told otherwise. My top 3 tips for driving on the dual carriageway at high speed. Number 1, again, is planning ahead nice and early, and it's not just for the cars ahead of you, it's for the people filtering on and people filtering off, and being aware that you might need to move into the next lane to the right to let them on if it's safe to do so. My second tip would be, again, it's still to the planning looking ahead, but again, planning looking behind you at all times and working out the distance from cars behind. So if you do have to mirror signal manoeuvre out to overtake a car, you're planning this nice and early. And my third tip for driving on a fast dual carriageway is keeping the speed up. Don't think slower the better. Keep your speed up to the speed limit if it's safe to do so ahead of you. And again, planning early so you know when to slow down or overtake, but please keep the speed up to the speed limit of that road if it's safe to do so.